The Constitution says, sub para 1 and 2 of para 4 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India, the Maharashtra Gomantak Party legislative party has merged in BJP party, that is 2/3. So their strength remains as 1, and the BJP strength goes from 12 to 14.
म्हणजे सिंगल largest तो दोन्ही उलटा काँग्रेस
Yeah, Congress and BJP becomes the
How lawful
equal.
it is to open this speaker's office at 1
See,
or 2 p.m.
the job of
2
the
a.m.
speaker is 24 hours.
Okay.
There is nothing as such as that. When MLA wants to meet the speaker, that they have they have found a new group as MGP2. 2/3 of their legislative wing wants to split, and they say we want to do it now. So it is my job to come.
You will be busy tomorrow also. It's heard that Isdor is also joining tomorrow.
These are rumors. Until and unless they don't phone me personally, like today Babu and Pauskar called me that please we want to meet you now, and we want to the 2/3 of our legislature wing has to be merged with BJP. So I opened office and we are here doing work at 1:30 onwards.
Thank you.